Now students, we will do question number 3. Part A, B, C of question number 3 are given here. So first of all we will do the part A of question 3. So in math register we will do part A. Part A is question 3 is 24 plus 36 in bracket multiply by 64. Here you can see that students, in this question bracket is given here. So first we will solve the bracket according to Bodmas rule, B for bracket. So first we will solve bracket. In bracket 24 plus 36. So we will add these numbers. 24 plus 36 is equal to 60. Now multiply by 64. Then we will multiply these numbers, 60 into 64. So it will be 3840. This is the answer. Now question B. Question B is 4544 divided by 70 minus 38 into bracket. So again we will solve first bracket 70 minus 38. So 4544 divided by, solve 70 minus 38 is equal to 32. Now we will divide 4544 by 32. So it will be 142. This is the answer. Now question C. Question C is in bracket 72 multiplied by 168 divided by 21 of 16. Here you can see that bracket, divide, of and multiplication operations are given here. So according to Bodmas rule we will solve the bracket first. So we will solve the bracket 72 multiplied by 168. So this is the 12,096 and of 21 of 16. So it will be 336. Now we will divide 12,096 by 336. So it will be 36. So this is the answer. Now we will do question number 4. Question number 4 is true or false. Here are some equations are given here. We will solve them and then we will write here in bracket true or false. A, B, C, D question are given here of question 4. So we will do this question. So question 4 is here, true or false. Part A of question 4 is 12 multiplied by 9 into bracket minus 7 equals to 12 multiplied by in bracket 9 minus 7. So we will solve. So first we will solve the bracket 12 multiplied by 9. It will be 108 minus 7 and equals to this equation 12 multiply 9 minus 7 into bracket. So we will solve first bracket 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So 12 multiply by 2. 108 minus 7 is equal to 101 and 12 multiply by 2 is equal to 24. Both are unequal. So this is not equal. So this is false. So write here false. Question B, 84 divided by into bracket 7 multiplied by 12 is equal to in bracket 84 divided by 7 multiplied by 12. So first equation we will solve the bracket first. 7 multiplied by 12. So it will be 84 and this is 84 also divided by 84. So this is 1. Now in second equation we will solve the bracket 84 divided by 7. So it will be 12 and multiply by 12. So it will be 144. These are not equal. So this is false. So right here we will write false. In question C, 75 multiply by 24 divided by 12. And second equation 75 multiply by in bracket 24 divided by 12. First equation multiply and divide operation are given here. So in these equation we will do first divide according to Bodmas. So we will divide 24 by 12 is equal to 2. Now we will multiply 75 multiply by 2. It will be 150. In second equation we will solve the bracket first. 24 divided by 12. It will be 2 and 75 multiply. 75 both are equal, so the statement is true. So here we will write true. Question D, 115 multiplied by 28 in bracket divided by 7 equals to second equation 115 of in bracket 28 divided by 7. So in first equation we will solve first the bracket 115 multiplied by 28. When we multiply of these numbers, it will be 3220 divided by 7. When we divided 3220 by 7, it will be 460. In second equation we will solve first equation 28 divided by 7, it will be 4. Now 115 of 4, of means multiply, so we will do multiply 115 multiply by 4, so it will be 460 also. So these are also equal, so the statement is true, so we will write here true. Now question number 5, simplify. A, B, C, D are given here. Question number 5, A, B, C, D question are given here. So first we will solve the part A. 15 multiply by middle bracket 28, second bracket 28 minus first bracket 17 minus 12, close first bracket and closed second bracket. So we can see that there are two brackets are given here. So first we will solve the first bracket 17 minus 12. So we will do 17 minus 12. So this is 5. Now we will solve the second bracket 28 minus 5. So it will be 23. Now we will multiply 15 multiply by 23. It will be 345. This is the answer. Now question number B. Second bracket start 17 multiply by first bracket 112 minus 78, first bracket close and second bracket close divided by 289. Here is also given two brackets. So first we will solve the first bracket 112 minus 78. So it will be 34. 17 multiply by 34 in middle bracket, second bracket divided by 289. So now we will solve the second bracket 17 multiplied by 34. So it will be 578 divided by 289. When we divided 578 by 289, it will be 2. So 2 is the answer. Now question number C, 61 minus middle bracket, small bracket start 35 plus 34, small bracket close divided by 46 in first bracket minus 23, first bracket close and second bracket close. So here are also given two brackets, small and middle, first and second bracket. So we will solve here first bracket. So first bracket is 35 plus 34, so it will be 69. We will put here divide sign, and then we will solve the second bracket of first bracket 46 minus 23, so it will be 23. Now we will solve the second bracket 69 divided by 23, so it will be 3. Now we will subtract 3 from 61, so it will be 58. So 58 is the answer. In question number D, first bracket 700 divided by 10, first bracket close divided by minus, second bracket start, first bracket start 12 multiplied by 8, first bracket close divided by 34 in first bracket minus 10, first bracket close and second bracket close. So first we will solve all the first bracket. First 700 divided by 10, it will be 70, minus 12 multiplied by 8, it will be 96, divided by 34 minus 10, it will be 24. Now we will solve the second bracket 96 divided by 24, it will be 4. Now we will subtract 4 from 70, so it will be 66. So 66 will be the answer. Now the exercise is finished and the chapter is also finished. You will do this exercise into your maths register like this way, neat and clean, and revise the chapter. Thank you.